In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Klarna to Shopify. Klarna is a popular buy now, pay later option that can help increase conversions by giving customers flexible ways to pay. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to your Shopify admin with the right permissions and that Klarna is available for your store's country and currency. Availability can vary, so it's good to be aware of that upfront. From your Shopify admin dashboard, head to Settings. This is where all of your store's backend controls live. Inside Settings, open the Payments area. The Payments page is your control center for gateways and alternative providers, and it's where you'll connect Klarna. On the Payments page, look for the option to add a payment method. This button opens a catalog of providers that integrate with Shopify. Click it to continue. You'll see a search field at the top of the list. Use the search to quickly find what you need by typing Klarna. That filters the options so you don't have to scroll through everything. When Klarna appears, select it. In many regions, Klarna is offered through a partner gateway. You may see Klarna available via Ping Pong Checkout. Choose Ping Pong Checkout here. It's the connector that enables Klarna within Shopify for certain markets. This simply determines which backend provider will process the Klarna payments your customers choose at checkout. If you like, take a moment to review the provider's summary on screen so you're familiar with supported payment types and any applicable terms. After selecting it, click Install. Installing adds the provider to your store and takes you into the setup flow where Shopify guides you through the remaining details, specific to Klarna and your business. Keep an eye on any prompts for business information or verification requirements. Those are normal for payment providers and help ensure your account is configured correctly. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see Klarna in the list, it's usually because of eligibility based on your store's location, currency, or industry. Double check that your store details are set correctly in settings and confirm Klarna supports your region. Also, be aware that enabling a new payment method can affect checkout order and fees. It's a good idea to review your payment settings and make sure the customer experience is clear and consistent. That's it. You've added Klarna to your Shopify store by navigating to Settings, opening Payments, adding a payment method, searching for Klarna, selecting the Klarna option via Ping Pong Checkout, and installing it. Once configured, your customers will see Klarna at checkout, giving them more flexibility and helping you capture more sales.